We're in the land of 10,000 lakes, and there's an expectation that our lakes are clean, that our lakes are safe, and that they're open for recreation.
Curly-leaf pondweed is an invasive aquatic plant species. It was first observed in Como Lake in the early 1990s and now has grown to dominate the aquatic plant ecosystem. It outcompetes native aquatic plant species and has really altered the balance of the ecosystem.
So this is all curly leaf here. Ooh, that smells a little ripe.
Curly-leaf pondweed begins growing in the late fall and continues throughout the winter. It grows underneath the ice so that when the ice goes off in late April, it's ready to grow right to the surface of the lake.
Here's a mass of curly-leaf pondweed in Como Lake. You can see a very dense mat here. This is what it looks like close up, and you can start to understand why they call it curly leaf. The big impact of this mass of curly leaf is when it dies off in late June, it decomposes and releases phosphorus into the lake. This phosphorus is the fuel for algae blooms. It doesn't offer actually very good habitat for fish and other bugs that live in Como Lake. They're critical to its health. In the early part of the summer, the lake is choked with curly-leaf pondweed. It makes kayaking, paddleboarding, any type of on-the-water recreation very difficult. We have to get curly-leaf pondweed under control. And recently, the Capital Region Watershed District has put together, with the help of the community, a 20-year management plan to help improve the water quality of the lake.
Curly leaf is a pretty nasty beast. Mechanical treatment has its limitations in that you can actually spread curly leaf pondweed through mechanically removing it.
The best way to control it is through herbicide treatments.
Herbicide treatments are proven to be safe and non-toxic to humans and pets. They also are non-toxic to other aquatic plants and species living in the lake. Capital Region Watershed District is committed to improving Como Lake. Controlling curly leaf will be critical for restoring balance to this natural system.